There are tons of apps claiming to make you productive and organize your projects, but there is only one app that has the potential to rule them all. And the best part is, it's free. To save you time, the first thing I want to mention in this video is who ClickUp is for. I don't want to waste the time of my audience who already value their time so much. In my opinion, ClickUp is best suited for CRM, managing projects, and team who are working remotely. These three categories will find the best used case for this product. That being said, let's see what features are there to help you out in these three areas. The first and my personal favorite is the universal search. What it does is it searches not only the database of your ClickUp, but also looks inside integrations like files on your Google Drive, Figma, Miro, etc. And talking about the integrations, it has so many integrations that you can connect it with pretty much anything. The second feature, which is nothing new but made more intuitive than its competitor, is the inbox. Here, messages can be snoozed, marked as unread, grouped by date, and you have all these segregated by tabs. Now, all these notifications can also be brought to your phone with the help of their ClickUp app. This also enables managing tasks on the go. For teams to work efficiently, we need good communication, and we don't want to jump back and forth between apps. I found that the integrated chat support in ClickUp is quite effective. We can communicate on the projects and teams, and if you don't like it, you can use Zoom integration anyway. Now, if you are liking it so far, make sure to like this video. Also, if you would like to check it out, then you can do so from the description below, where you might find some discounts. What's making the noise in this space is the ClickUp Brain. It's their AI integration that helps in generating tasks, answering your questions, and writing for you. You could also ask it for progress updates. You see the possibilities. Those were all the main things that I thought would be most important for you to know. Rest, you will find all the basic things you would need in any PM and CRM apps like reporting, whiteboard, screen recording, task management, etc. If you ask if there's any downside to ClickUp, then definitely there is one, and that is something you should consider. I see people were complaining that it acts glitchy sometime, so you should see that. I would recommend that you try the free version first before moving to the premium one. And to be honest, a lot of you will find it to be sufficient as a lot of features are included in the free plan. Then if you feel like you need premium, you can do so. Again, pricing will be in the description. That wraps up today's video. What are your thoughts on this? Definitely share them down below in the comments. Surprisingly, Notion launched its calendar app. If you want to see that, then there it is. And if you are looking for the best cloud storage, then it's here. Like, share, subscribe, stay safe. Bye-bye.